Today we're removing the front door panel from a Subaru Forester. We're going to start with our pry tool and move to the armrest and the handhold and pry the front edge of this small panel up to hinge open and expose a screw we need to remove. With the screw removed, take your pry bar and pry along the edge of this control panel from back towards the front, releasing clips. These clips all release with pry pressure, and this will allow you to free the control panel up and lift it up out of the opening. Depending on the door you're doing, there are more or less connectors. These connectors have triggers towards the center of them that you squeeze down into the connector. It releases the lock and you can remove these connectors. These connectors are also keyed, so they fit back to one specific spot on this control panel, so there is no need to label them as to where they go. With our pry tool, we're going to move back to the small control panel around the door lock and door handle area. You'll also notice the screw is missing here. That screw does not need to be removed. Pry along this panel, releasing the clips, and this panel will release and remove from the door handle and door lock area. With your pry bar, move to the front top edge of the door panel. Pry this panel from the door. Again, these clips release with pry pressure. Depending on your audio system, you may have a 1.5-inch tweeter in this position. If you do have the tweeter, it will be connected back to the door to a connector, again with a trigger to release and remove. With our pry bar, we're going to move down to the bottom back edge of the door panel. We're going to pry this door panel from the door, releasing all the door panel clips from the door. Work across the bottom of the door, up the front edge, and up the back edge. We have a full library removal guides on our website. See our website for speaker phasing, stereo, and other speaker removals as well. Once this panel is released, you can place your hand into the opening where the control panel was. Pull the bottom part of the door panel away from the door so it clears over the door handle and door lock area. Lift it up out of the door jamb and set it to the side. Check the door for any door panel clips that were not removed with the door panel. Pry these clips from the door and place them back in their corresponding spots on the door panel, ready for reinstallation. This will expose the speaker. At the side of the speaker is its connector and a small trigger on the side that we're going to squeeze in to release and remove this connector. This speaker is held in place by 3 Phillips screws. It is a 6.5-inch speaker in this place. Aftermarket installation is simple. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.